Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into fashion design, digital clothing, or just love creating in CLO3D, then you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into how to create a button in CLO3D. Whether you are making a jacket, a shirt, or any garment, buttons are an essential detail that can bring your design to life. So, let's jump right in. Before we start adding a button, make sure you've got your garment ready. I've already loaded this set design on the avatar here. If you are following along, go ahead and open your own project, and let's get started. Let's locate the button tool. Over on the left side, in your 3D toolbar, you'll see the button icon. Go ahead and click that. Now, navigate to the 2D window and hover the mouse over where the button. Add button. Now, let's place our first button. I'm going to click on the front of this jacket here, around the button closure area. When you click, the button will appear on the garment. Now the trick part, to create and paste several buttons at once, select Move Button tool. Then select Copy. Once you paste button on the mouse, it will become free. Now, again right-click. Paste option will appear on the pattern. When the paste window appears, enter values in interval is to adjust the distance between the buttons. And number of buttons buttonholes is for adjust the number of buttons. And then hit OK. Now, let's customize our button. First off, the collision. With the button selected, head over to the Properties window. Here you'll see a bunch of options for adjusting the button's appearance. You can make the button larger, smaller, with the help of width and thickness. Or even change its material to something like plastic, wood, or metal, depending on the look you are going for. You can change the color as well. If you want to add any specific print or image, you can add from texture. Here you'll see different style of buttons. Just click and you will change the button. Now, you understood the button process. Let's create placket and repeat the process. Select all and Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Select all again and click to Buttonhole in Object Browser. You can adjust the length and angle in the property editor on the right side. Change the color of the buttonhole. Hit Simulate, spacebar, and watch your buttons snap into place. If they look misaligned, just adjust the positions in the 2D window and simulate again. To close the button, click Fasten button. Select button and click and drag the selected buttons at buttonholes. Let's hit Simulate and check it out. Click on Fasten Buttons and select All to open the button. And that's it. Now you know how to add buttons and buttonholes in CLO3D to bring your designs to life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Catch you in the next one.